Our company offers equipment and technology for the production of soft, seamless capsules. At present, we have 2 capsule shell technologies. This is a classic gelatin technology and a new innovative technology of capsule shells made of plant material. We use a plant material called agar-agar for our capsules. This is an alga-based material. The technology will be of interest in the production of capsules for the Eastern market, for the market of Arab countries, for Muslims, vegans, and vegetarians, and wherever the use of animal gelatin is not required. This is a very interesting product. I hope you will appreciate our efforts, become our customers, and build your business together with us. Do not hesitate to contact me. I will be happy to answer any of your questions. All the best. I'm Roman Tsibulsky.